Hi, it's Coach Annika. I wanted to take some time to tell you what's in the D.TOX program kit. There's two different products. First, there's the D.TOX Shake Mix. It comes in chocolate or vanilla. It's plant-based and dairy-free, and it has over 20 grams of protein per serving. It's made from rice and pea protein, but it still provides a complete amino acid profile, which is critical in order for your body to detox. Having ample protein will also support your energy levels and keep you full and satisfied. It has additional vitamins and minerals, amino acids, as well as botanicals that support your detoxification system. Second, you have the flavorless fiber. It's made from prebiotic fibers, and it's designed to support digestion and regularity, as well as your detoxification organs. To use these, to add one serving for every yummy shake that you're gonna make. You can simply add water or your favorite unsweetened nut milk, or blend it with ice for even better. You can also use any of the recipes in the D.TOX program guide. All right, that's it. Hopefully that's helpful. Best of luck with your detox.